Hello everyone. Hope you're having a great evening. We actually got a few packages today, and we're going to do some unboxings for a few of the products we got. This first video, we're going to be doing the Vevor, um, like the inflatable projector screen. Here's the box. I already opened it a little bit, but just kind of wanted to show you how it kind of came. Um, in this box is the fan. What's nice is it includes the stakes, some thread, some rope. Looks like it's like a little patch kit as well. So if you do get a hole within the inflatable part, you do at least have that kit where you can repair it. And this is the actual like screen and everything. I'm not going to be taking this out today just because when I set it up, I want to set it up outside where we have a little bit more space. But just to kind of show you a little bit, it has, I'm guessing this is the inflatable part, and then of course you got the screen right here. That's everything in the box, in the bag. I'm actually going to put these in there as well to store those. And then we have the fan. It does come with a little manual. Talks about this kind of like the size of everything, what's included. My guess is setup is pretty self-explanatory. You just plug in the fan part, and essentially it sets itself up. It does have Velcro that will connect the screen to the black part, so all the way around. But again, I'll showcase that here later once we set it up outside. And then in this box, of course, it has the nifty little fan. We did test this inside. It does draw a little bit of power, so if you are in an indoor setup, setting up the screen, when we turned it on in our downstairs, and we had one of the lights on, it dimmed the light pretty good, so just be aware that it does draw a good amount of power. Overall, it wasn't too horribly loud. Once you have speakers going, I don't think it'll be too much of a problem or too annoying to hear the fan over what you're watching, but again, it'll be fun to test in the coming week or so when we set this up outside. But hopefully this kind of gives them an idea as to what they're getting with the Vevor system. I bought this, I believe it was on May 7th, and then today is when it arrived, which, yeah, I had to double check the date, but today is May 9th, and so it only took 2 days to get here. Same with the other products. They all got here within the 1 to 2 day period. But hopefully that kind of gives one an idea. Super exciting stuff, but yeah,